This is a 2007 Ford Escape, and the worst thing happened this evening when I went to go pull out of the driveway and turn on the lights. We've all been there when you turn on the headlight, and what you mean to see is this, and what you actually get is this. So we're going to show how to turn on headlights and replace them with new ones. Now, in terms of parts, all you need, gratefully, is a headlight. As you can tell, I was so excited to get going. I started ripping into this before ever shooting the part number. So we're looking for H11 specifically for the Ford Escape. There's a lot of different types and makes and models of headlight out there. Just be sure it's H11 so it fits our car. Now, to get things going, the good news is it's pretty quick and easy to get into the headlamp. I'm going to be doing the left side, and the good news is on the right side, it's the exact same assembly. You can see it all the way down there. I'm just going to be focusing on our driver's side for today, partly because it is a little bit harder to work in. So if you can figure this one out, you can really do the other side. So there's a retaining bracket here, which we're just going to simply pop down, give it a little bit of force. And then as that happens, you'll see this plastic panel pops out. Go ahead and just pry that away. Has some clips that it's into, so just gently work it out of its slot. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and set this aside. You can see it has a gasket that keeps everything nice and waterproof. All right, so with that panel removed, I'm going to shine some additional light in here. You can see our main lamp bulb right there. Oh, sorry. Right there. There's a high beam bulb over there, but we're going to focus on the main one. To unengage it, you simply give it a little bit of a twist. It's just a simple threading, and she'll pop right out like that for us. Perfect. So yeah, sadly looks like it blew. So one quick tip as we're doing this, it's okay to touch the glass on the burnt bulb. On the new bulb, you do not want to touch the glass. Your fingerprints can actually get on that glass, and it will cause shortening of life, actually, where it can cause a quicker burnout. So we're going to simply disconnect her. Has two retaining clips on the side. There we go. And so with that, we just pop her off. Definitely good to keep the cable in your hand and remember the orientation it went in. It never hurts. That way you can remember which way to put in the new guy. Again, being careful not to touch the glass. Let's zoom it out a smidge. And let it clip into place. All right, now with our new bulb in place, I'm gonna go ahead and line it up with the hole down there, and I'm gonna work it in. As you can see, it has different notches here, so we're just gonna try to get it to line up and then click it into place. There we go, we are in place. So we'll take the panel, put this in place. As you do this too, be sure that there's no free wires or anything like that hanging out. Don't want to get those caught in here. There we go. All right, and with that, I'm gonna move this once more. With that, clip it into place, and we are fully assembled. Now let's go ahead and give her a test fire. And indeed, success. So again, if you're needing to change it on the passenger side, the good news is you have a lot more working space actually, so it's a lot easier working there. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe, add any comments if you're on anything, and I'll be sure to respond in the comments with some troubleshooting tips. And otherwise, also drop a comment for other videos you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.